All right, let's make this a little simple, right? Here is the original theanimal.farm. This is the home page. You would have had to go to Pigpen and hit this button that said unstake. It was over here somewhere. Unstake, right? That would have put the LP in your wallet or the pig token in your wallet, which this is just the pig token of V1. It would have claimed some of this here. Then you would have had to go here to pigs credits, and you would have put them in here during the week. There was a week, a window where this was active, and you would put in, let's say there was one pig in the pig pen. There would be one pig here, and you would credit it, and it would have said complete, crediting complete, right? Pigs BUSD was piggy bank if it was in your wallet, but if it was in the piggy bank, you didn't have to do anything. You can also have had this one, which came from, I'm assuming, one of the pools of the farms, because I wasn't in it, so I don't know, but there was a way to get this one. All right. Once you completed this during the window, on the last day, at the last hour, the last minute, the last second, this would say crediting not active. All right. So if you see a balance here, you didn't complete crediting, and you're screwed. You, not Forex, not BB, not anybody else. You screwed up, all right? And your pigs are gone. You screwed up. And that's what that, put your big boy pants on, or big girl pants on, or they, them pants on, whatever. You screwed up. You shouldn't see a balance here because they were supposed to be sent in, all right? Just like if you have a letter to send to somebody and you don't put it in your mailbox with a stamp on it, you didn't send the letter. Not the post office. You don't blame the post office. You messed up, all right? Okay, so now, as of recent, the new Animal Farm, animalfarm.app. You would go here to pigs credit. You could see your piggy bank stake if you had a piggy bank stake, because you did not have to send those in unless you had pigs LP, BUSD LP in your wallet, which was only 3%. So don't be sitting here, oh, I had this, I had it. You didn't. So go to pigs credit and look, it's not here, right? You're looking here. I know you are, because y'all don't know how to read or whatever. It's up here, all right? It's right up here. That's where your pigs tokens would be. You can't claim until the countdown hits 0. There won't be anything in the pig pen because you haven't claimed the credit. The piggy bank, you would have LP up here if it was in your wallet. But if it's in the bank, you'll have it down here. You'll see it. You won't have any truffles because we are not live yet. All right? Drip garden was never shut down. So you could have kept doing your drip garden. This migrate is meaningless because it's not a part of this. It's just giving you a message saying when the dogs is going to be active or migrated. All right. So that's it. If you didn't submit pigs or pigs BUSD or the other one down here, and you see a balance here, you fucked up. There was like 13 AMAs on this, 2 voice chats, and a crap ton of messages and YouTubers talking about this stuff. All right, so you fucked up. And then you go to the animalfarm.app and see pigs credits. There it is, right up there. Not down here. Up here. All right. If you tried to game the system and take any generated pigs from the farms or pools and send them in, you did not get credited because the contracts were paused. Only pigs that were directly in the pig pen and directly in your wallet will show up. AFP, the new pig token, if they were in your wallet, you will see them. Don't say, well, I put the new contract in my wallet and I can't see any AFP. If you didn't have any in your wallet, you won't have them. All right? Don't make me start talking like Major Payne, Sergeant Slaughter, and the guy from Full Metal Jacket. If you don't see credited pigs here and you see a balance here, you fucked up. Okay? That's it. I hope this was easy for you. Thank you. Have a good day. Enjoy the ride. Sorry if you fucked up.